Good morning, friends. This week we will continue with our cool science experiments. We will not be watching the videos of doing science big. I'm actually going to complete some experiments at my house. Now, these experiments, I'm testing out different ones. I will be sharing with you the material that you will need to make it. You do not need to do them at home. It's only if you would like. I am going to post a video of them, of how we completed the videos. So throughout this week, we are going to have different videos like slime, volcano explosions, lava lamps, different things. What we are focusing on, and we're going to be using different materials and see how it reacts with each other. And I'll tell you now, some experiments, they may be successful, others will fail, unfortunately, but that's okay. That's what being a scientist is all about. And I will have questions posted in our video asking you what you think we could do better, what I can do better if I were to do the experiments again. So let's get started with our first experiment. Ready? Alright, so this is one science experiment that was very requested by you guys. We are going to be making slime. Now, not just regular slime, foam slime, which is a bit more softer. What we need for foam slime is 1 cup of glue. I got 2 just in case if I run out. We need 3 cups of shaving cream. We need some baking soda, only a teaspoon of baking soda, and then 3 tablespoons of this saline spray. I'm going to start out by measuring 1 cup of glue. I'm going to be using this little bowl and my spatula here to mix it together. I have 1 cup of glue. I'm just going to squish it into here. Yep, I was right. I'm definitely gonna need 2 bottles. Oh, there's endless glue in here. You want to make the best of all the glue that you have, so just keep squeezing. And put it down real quick so I can squeeze with both hands. How much glue is in there? Alright, I give up because there's an endless amount of glue in there and that's going to take forever. But we do need 1 cup. So I'm just going to go with this bottle, which still has a lot, and just fill it up to the 1 cup line. So I'm going to take my 1 cup of glue and dump it into the bowl. You can use your spatula if you want to help scoop it out, to make it easier and quicker. Alright, that's that. Ooh, alright, so then I have some shaving cream. Any regular shaving cream works. Find it at the dollar store. Oh no, my scarf. It's okay, we'll wash it out. We need 3 cups of shaving cream. So that's 1. Assistant, I need a spoon. It smells. It's getting to be a bit sticky. Of shaving cream. So I got 1. Kind of remind me of whipped cream. This shaving cream is being very sticky. You know why? Why? It might be because I put the glue in first. Where are you supposed to put the glue in first? There we go. But that was the second cup. So 1 more cup of slime. Of shaving cream. This is our 3rd cup of shaving cream. I'm very excited for it to be slime. Oh, so we want to make sure we squeeze it all out. Alright. Now it's getting stuck. We did not want that to happen. So it's best if you have mom or dad, someone older to help you out. Alright, want to make sure we get all the slime out of there. All the
shaving cream.
Let's count how many times Miss Ramos caused the shaving cream slime. This is my 4th time, I believe. So I'm gonna use this teaspoon kind of just to scrape it out. Right. So next thing we need is put the slime to the side. The shaving cream to the side.
Number 5.
We're going to use some baking soda. This is what's going to help us cause chemical reaction. 1 tablespoon of this. 1 teaspoon of this. You need 1 teaspoon, which is a bit smaller than tablespoon. So we're going to just pour it out. I think that should be enough. Just pour out 1 teaspoon of baking soda and move that to the side. Now we need some saline solution. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of this. Tablespoons are much bigger. We're gonna squeeze out 3. That's a funny sound. All right, this is 1, 2, okay, this is our 3rd one. So we have added all of our chemical ingredients to help activate our slime. Now I forgot to tell you one important ingredient at the beginning. We're gonna use food coloring. The food coloring is gonna add color to it, just to make it look more fun. I'm gonna mix blue and red today. Add half a tablespoon of red. And then half a tablespoon of blue. What color is it gonna make? Blue and red. Ready? When it mixes together, we should start to see purple. All right, great. Now my spatula. Where is my trusty spatula? We're gonna use my spatula to mix it all together into our foamy slime. Ooh. It's turning orange. It is turning orangey. Now it's turning brown. Oh no. Make sure you do this in a safe area, that if you make a mess, mom and dad will not be upset. Gotta be patient.
Oh, pretty.
Kind of looks like a cool, some cool space stuff. So we're gonna keep mixing. You might have to mix for like about a minute, and then when you're and so we're gonna keep mixing for just a minute. I'm gonna make sure you mix in the sides too, just to make sure you have all the product. Sounds very gushy. starting to come together. Just gonna mix. Your hand might get tired from mixing. You can take a break if needed. Okay. All right. So I think it's pretty well mixed together. Now, we have to let it sit, you know, just to let it settle all together. Now, it does look purple to me, but I think it could be a bit more purple. I'm gonna add more red. Yes, like a galaxy. I got very tired. I'm going to add a bit more blue because it's still looking kind of like grayish. I'm just gonna add more blue. Maybe, hopefully, if we add that more blue, can make it a bit darker. To make it much quicker, you know, have the colors mixed in more, it's time to get messy. I'm gonna start mixing with my hands. I want to make sure all the slime is off my spatula. And there I go. Ooh. Yeah, this is helping the color come out much better. It fell on my scarf! Oh no, it's falling on my scarf. Oh my gosh. Where's your scarf? So we mixed it together with our hands. And we want to let it sit out for like 3 minutes. And then when it settles out for 3 minutes, it could probably be more fun to play. It feels very gushy, but notice how you might want to use a big bowl because notice how it is falling out of my little bowl. Pause. There's more that you can play with. It feels very squishy. Ooh, squeezy, squishy, and gushy. And look, if you can, it helps when you mix around the bowl at the bottom. Now come closer. Hear the sounds that it makes. Some of them like make a popping sound. Oh, there it goes. You push air from the bottom. So we push down through the bottom, kind of creates like bubbles, and it causes it to pop. Look, ready? Oh. When we push down through the bottom, push down hard. Ready? So it was working the first time, but it's not gonna work the second time. Can you hear I think you can hear it. And there we have it, some slime for us. Okay, as you just saw, that was our first experiment of the week. We tried to make slime and it did not work. It was supposed to kind of become foamier and like harder so you can play with it. That was a fail. What do you think? What could I have done different? Do you have any suggestions that I can switch up for our slime mixture? Let me know, and when we have experiment week again, we can try it out again.